is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Broken Heart by Eddie Vedder. One of the essential parts of this song is the finger-picking pattern. And it goes like this. You're going to pluck the strings with your thumb, index, and middle finger. And the first note is both the thumb and the middle finger. And then your index finger on the second string, and then your thumb on the third. So. It's best to practice this slow for a while without changing chords so you can get the pattern down. If you practice it really fast with lots of mistakes, it'll actually take you longer to learn it. The chords for Broken Heart are a little different but pretty simple. We're going to play G chord, first finger, third string, second fret, middle finger, first string, second fret, ring finger, second string, third fret. Then we're going to switch to a D7, lay the first finger across, your index finger across, with your middle finger, play the first string, third fret, back to G, then we're going to switch to a G7, which is taking the index finger back to the second string, first fret, middle finger, third string, second fret, and ring finger, first string, second fret. The C chord, first one everyone learns on ukulele. And then the C minor chord. I just take my index finger across the first three strings and the third fret. Back to the G. Now don't pull your fingers as far off as I am. I'm doing that so you can see. Okay, and then later on we go from the G7 to an A7. Very simple. Pick these two fingers up, move your first finger over to the third string, first fret. And then we're going to add a ninth, first string, second fret. To use a different D7 fingering, since we're moving from here, from the A9, we're just going to put the first finger over to the fourth string, second fret, and the middle finger over on the second string, second fret. For the D sus, we're just going to move the index finger up to the second string, third fret. For the chorus, we're going to finger C a little different. The first finger is going to go across the first and second strings on the third fret. Middle finger gets the third string on the fourth fret. We're going to go to a different D fingering too. The way I do it is I put my first finger on the second fret and arch it, so I'm playing the first string open. If you have to do it like this, using three fingers you can, but that takes a little longer to get to. And then the E minor chord, first finger, second finger, third finger. First string, second fret, second string, third fret, third string, fourth fret. One of the coolest parts of this song is the interlude and outro, which is basically the same thing. After we've done the first chorus, we're going to end on a C9, C add 9, so first finger, second fret, third string, second fret, however you want to say it, and ring finger. We're going to leave out the middle finger. I'll show you why in a minute. Ring finger goes on the first string, third fret. Same finger picking pattern as the beginning. Now we're going to slide the first finger down, middle finger comes over and gets the fourth string on the second fret. Pick your index finger up and leave it in place. Because you're going to put it right back down. Index finger is right back down on the first string, second fret. Then you're going to slide it back up and play the C add 9 again. Don't pull your middle finger over. I'm doing that just so you can see it. Don't forget to pick your index finger up. Then at the end, he starts off doing that. Now basically what I'm doing is a 1E and a 2E, a really fast strum pattern, and I'm using my fingernails. I think he does that, although it might just be a finger. Ukulele is a pretty delicate instrument, so don't hit it too hard. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Broken Heart by Eddie Vedder. Don't forget to check below for the chord chart, and thank you for watching.